Rich Dad Poor Dad is a book by Robert Kiyosaki that has become a bestseller and a cultural phenomenon since its publication in 1997. The book is a personal finance guide that contrasts the different approaches to money and wealth management that Kiyosaki learned from his own father, his best friend's father, whom he calls his rich dad, and his own experiences as an entrepreneur and investor. The book is structured as a series of lessons that Kiyosaki learned from both his poor dad and his rich dad. The former was his biological father, a highly educated man with a secure job as a government employee. The latter was his friend's father, a successful entrepreneur and investor who taught Kiyosaki valuable lessons about money and wealth creation. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that traditional education systems do not provide students with the tools and knowledge they need to manage their finances effectively, and that this lack of financial literacy is one of the main reasons why many people struggle with money and never achieve financial independence. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of taking risks and investing in assets that generate passive income. He argues that many people fall into the trap of working for money, rather than having money work for them, and that this limits their ability to accumulate wealth over time. By contrast, he suggests that those who are willing to take calculated risks and invest in income-generating assets like stocks, real estate, and small businesses can achieve long-term financial success. Another key idea in Rich Dad Poor Dad is the importance of understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki argues that assets are things that generate income, while liabilities are things that require money to maintain. He suggests that people should focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks, rather than liabilities like cars or expensive homes that do not produce income. Finally, Kiyosaki stresses the importance of developing a mindset of abundance and financial independence. He argues that many people are held back by limiting beliefs and a scarcity mentality, and that developing a more positive and abundant mindset can help individuals achieve their financial goals and live more fulfilling lives. Rich Dad Poor Dad has been both praised and criticized for its unconventional approach to personal finance and its emphasis on entrepreneurship and risk-taking. However, the book's popularity and influence are undeniable, and it has helped to inspire a generation of readers to think differently about money and wealth creation. By emphasizing the importance of financial education, investing in income-generating assets, and cultivating a mindset of abundance, Kiyosaki has provided readers with a roadmap for achieving long-term financial success and independence.